Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are going to do this interesting DIY, which is this broken mirror Christmas tree. It's a stunning Christmas art decor which does not require too many supplies. Also, you can choose to go as big as you want with this art piece and it would look equally stunning. Now before I give you more details, if you're new to my channel, then welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you like my efforts and are interested in budget-friendly DIYs, mostly using thrifted or recycled materials, or if you're simply interested in decorating your place for less, then please subscribe to my channel for some amazing pocket-friendly ideas. Now, let's start creating. I'm starting by finding the center of this cork board which I got from thrift store. This board is 4 feet long and 3 feet wide. I used a cork board because I was eventually going to use grout on it, which in itself is quite a heavy material. So I didn't want it to get double heavy by using a plywood, hence I decided to use a cork board. After finding the center of the board, we drew this rough image of the Christmas tree. This will help us in arranging the mirror pieces. Now moving on to the fun part, that is breaking this old mirror. Since we wanted to somewhat control the pattern of the broken mirror pieces, we decided to hammer it using a nail instead of just smashing the mirror with a hammer. And I agree, breaking mirror intentionally is a no easy feat. When you don't want it to break, they will collapse in a snap, but when you do want them in pieces, it just doesn't want to budge. Anyways, after many failed attempts, we were finally successful in breaking this mirror. Please be careful and wear proper protective gear while doing the step. Try and break the mirror in an open space away from people and pets. Also, since this was a part of a proper mirror frame, there was some brown taping all over the backside of the mirror. So please be careful while picking the broken pieces. Next, we sorted the mirror pieces based on their sizes. Then we started solving this puzzle, which is the arrangement of the broken mirror pieces on the board. Take your time doing the step because this is where you will have an idea of how your Christmas tree is going to look. Once I was satisfied with the look, I took a picture of it so that in case I move the pieces around, I still have a reference image of what it should look like. Now we will start with the gluing part. For sticking the mirror pieces to the board, I am using an all-purpose construction adhesive which you can easily find in any hardware stores. You can check the exact name of the glue from the description box below. I avoided using hot glue for this step because I wanted something stronger and more permanent, as of course I did not want the mirror pieces falling down in the middle of the room. Once every piece is glued on, leave it to dry thoroughly. Next, clean up your surface for the grouting step. Please be careful of any mirror powder or really tiny mirror pieces while cleaning the board. Now for grout, we filled a bucket with 1.5 liters of water and then gradually mixed unsanded grout into it. Avoid using all the grout all at once as it will get difficult to handle. For this size of a board, we used a whole 10-pound bag in the color Avalanche. While buying grout, please make sure that you're getting the unsanded one to avoid scratches on the mirror, and remember to follow the instructions on the grout bag. And yes, you can also choose to use grout in any other color too in case you don't want to use the white grout. Mix it well to get a somewhat paste-like consistency. Next, just start spreading this grout mixture on the board with your hands. Don't use any tools for spreading it as it might leave marks on the mirror. Once it's nicely applied, leave it for 5 minutes. After that, take a sponge and start removing the grout from the glass, but leaving it nice and smooth around the sharp edges of the mirror. Keep cleaning the mirror surface while making sure that the edges are nice and even. This step is messy and you got to do it really quick before the grout starts to dry. So it's a better idea to have an extra pair of hands to do this step. It will take some time to get a perfect clean mirror surface, so please be patient, but yes, the results would be really rewarding. And there you have it, your own seasonal piece of art that you can use every year around Christmas. We also applied some of that leftover grout on the frame too to give it a more finished look. You can hang this beautiful piece in your living room or right above your fireplace or maybe in your hallway. Please make sure that you take all precautions while breaking and sorting the mirror pieces. One thing that we wanted to do ourselves but it was too late for us to rectify was try and use more smaller pieces of mirror than what we have used here. This will give more character and depth to your Christmas tree. Let me know what you think of this broken mirror Christmas tree DIY. If you liked what you saw, then show some love by smashing that like button, and if you got any questions or comments, then please leave them in the comment section below. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon with another fun and quirky DIY. Till then, take care and stay safe.